The Age of Disclosure, a groundbreaking UFO documentary set to shake the world. The greatest secret in human history about to be revealed. Imagine waking up to the news. 34 U.S. officials confirm UFOs are real. How would you react? For decades, we've heard rumors about UFOs. But what happens when the highest-ranking officials in government start speaking out? The documentary, The Age of Disclosure, directed by Don Farah, promises to take this debate to a whole new level. Featuring testimonies from government officials, military officers, and intelligence experts, the film asserts that a massive cover-up has been in place for over 80 years regarding extraterrestrial intelligence. Why is this the right time? In recent years, the topic of UFOs, now referred to as UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena, has gained unprecedented attention from the U.S. government and research institutions. The Pentagon has released official videos, and Navy pilots have reported encounters with unidentified objects defying the laws of physics. Against this backdrop, The Age of Disclosure is not just another documentary, it could be a historic turning point in humanity's understanding of the universe. Could this film change the way we see our place in the cosmos? What the documentary reveals. 1. Testimonies from 34 U.S. government officials. The film features interviews with 34 higher-ranking U.S. government, military, and intelligence officials, including Senator Marco Rubio, who claims that even the president is only given partial access to UFO-related information. Former Director of National Intelligence Jim Clapper, who served under President Barack Obama. Jay Stratton, former head of the U.S. government's UFO task force, who compared the race for UFO technology to the Manhattan Project, the World War II program that developed the atomic bomb. Shocking statements. One of the most shocking claims in the film is that the U.S. and other major nations have been secretly competing to recover and study UFO technology. I have seen spacecraft that are not of human origin and beings that are not from Earth. A former CIA official says in the film's trailer, if true, this could change everything. Alien technology could provide limitless clean energy and revolutionize physics and science. But at the same time, if one nation cracks the code first, they could dominate the world with an unimaginable technological advantage. 2. Eyewitness stories, never before released events. Story 1. The pilot who witnessed a UFO fleet. In 2004, Navy pilot David Fravor encountered an object flying at impossible speeds off the coast of California. His aircraft's systems malfunctioned when he approached the UFO, Fravor later stated. I have never seen anything move like that. It didn't follow the laws of physics as we know them. His account is just one of hundreds from military personnel. The most disturbing part, most of these incidents were buried in silence. Story 2. The Pentagon's leaked secret documents. A former Pentagon insider revealed that for decades, top-secret documents have detailed efforts to retrieve and analyze unknown aerial objects. They have wreckage, devices that are not from Earth. But they've kept everything hidden, fearing the economic and social consequences. If true, are we living in a world where governments control the truth about the universe? The big questions and lessons learned. 1. Why do UFOs matter? If there is an advanced civilization beyond Earth, it means humanity is not alone. This would impact not just science, but also philosophy, religion, and global politics. 2. Should we worry about a UFO technology race? If one country unlocks alien technology first, it could become a superpower beyond imagination, leaving other nations far behind. This could spark a new technological cold war similar to the nuclear arms race. 3. Do we have the right to know the truth? One of the most critical questions raised by the film is, does the government have the right to keep this information hidden? Or, do people have the right to know the truth about the universe and humanity's future? Conclusion. Will The Age of Disclosure change the world? The Age of Disclosure is not just a documentary. It could be a historic milestone in the UFO disclosure movement. If the information in this film is accurate, our world may never be the same again. We stand at a crossroads in history. One path leads to truth, the other to secrecy. Which one do you believe in? What do you think about this film? Could this be the most compelling evidence of UFOs yet? Share your thoughts.